And welcome back. All right, we got a lot to talk about. So for today, again, we were 15 degrees below average. You can see our temperatures really didn't go anywhere either. 45 degrees for a high, 40 for a low. Yeah, so overall, it was a pretty chilly day outside. Thankfully, we didn't see any precipitation, and that number is going to change as we go on into pretty much later this week, on into this weekend. It's looking pretty wet. So lows for tonight will be near freezing again from about Hattiesburg to the south. Should remain just above freezing, and to the north, again, below freezing. Those winds will be out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour, mostly cloudy skies. So it is going to be a cold night, and it's not really going to be a nice night to be out. So if you have to be out, make sure you wear a jacket. Tomorrow, though, we are going to stay dry. We have another dry day tomorrow. High pressure on off to our east, or excuse me, to our west, brings us those northerly winds. They'll be 5-10 miles per hour. That's about it. We'll be, again, below average, but not by too much. Less than we were today, so 54 in Hattiesburg and Purvis. Mid-50s, right around there. The winds at the north, again, 5-10 miles per hour. Partly sunny skies, so we'll have a little bit of sun across the area. All right, let's talk about later this week. All right, so the jet stream's going to be on up to our north, so we'll have mild conditions down in our area. The next storm system, though, is setting up over the central U.S. Snow and a mix through Kansas, Nebraska, and some of the Dakotas. Say some of them, there's only two. South Dakota on over to Iowa. As this system moves on off to the east, we're going to be impacted with some rain from it. Not looking at any freezing precipitation. Just how much rain are we talking, though? Anywhere between 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch in some locations on off to the north and to the west. And this is going to continue from Thursday into Friday, and then the main storm system gets here on Saturday. And then after Saturday, cold front moves through the area, and our temperatures are going to take a large hit. So again, like I said before the break, if you don't like cold weather, you're probably not going to like it now. So this is a map that shows the probability of us being below average. It doesn't show how much below average, but a probability. We're looking anywhere from 40 to 70% likelihood of us being below average from the 19th to the 23rd. And as we go on later throughout the rest of January, this area actually expands some. We're looking at cold temperatures because the jet stream is going to take a pretty big dip here, and we're going to be left with some Arctic air across our region, and we're still going to be in that. You notice it dips all the way down to the coast. There are some models, and granted, this is still about a week or so out, but some models are showing us having trouble getting out of the lower 40s and 30s. For highs, yeah. We are about to hit that area where we are pretty chilly. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Thankfully, the next several days, we're going to be at or above average as we get through Tuesday, 54 degrees, 62 on your Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, and then the clouds move in. And your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, looking rainy, but we'll get a gradual warm up, 71 degrees for your Saturday. Some afternoon thunderstorms, and as we get on to Sunday, yeah, there's that hit. Nearly 30 degrees is what will cool off. 42 for high on your Sunday. Look at the overnight low. Sunday night, 19 degrees. We're going to have wind chills that are going to be in the low teens. 45 for Monday. Monday night's also looking to be very, very cold in the 20s or so. And again, as we end January, we're taking a large hit to our temperatures. We're talking about a large Arctic air mass that's just going to be coming down to our area. There were a couple of runs of a model, and I'm going to say this right now. This is most likely not going to happen, but that had snow all the way down to the Gulf.
Wow.
That's not something you see, but remember we talked about the polar vortex last week and how earlier this month, it kind of broke down. When that happens, you get large dips in the jet stream. Well, now we're finally seeing that translate down to the surface.
Right.
And that's what's helping or hurting us, bringing a lot of this cold air, displacing some of it. The eastern U.S. is about to get hit with a large amount of cold air. We're talking, Kansas City Chiefs and the Patriots play this weekend. They're looking at temperatures right around zero. Not wind chills, but actual temperatures 0 to 5 degrees.
Wow.
Yeah, luckily we're not looking at that.
The ice bowl again.
But it is going to be cold around this area, so just get used to that, get the heavy coat out and be prepared for it.
Well, you know you, the scientist that you are.
Yeah, I've been looking at it for the week, and I'm going to keep looking at it because it is something you don't see every day.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.